Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Cowboy B over here at Wetjet Performance. Today is a wonderful, wonderful day. Our titanium project that we've been working on for 6 months, almost a year, really. But it's finally done. Everything is here. It's a great day for the Wetjet supporters, a bad day for the Wetjet haters. We got the intercooler hoses and we got the titanium intakes and we got some other goodies that we haven't shown you. But let's give you a quick overview of what we got here. This is one of the intakes. We got purple, titanium, blue, and gold. So let's shake this all the way out. Man, just look at that purple. It's all precision welded. Good to go. And our titanium tubes are unequal length. So if you want it a little taller, if you ride with your seat off trying to get those numbers, instead of using a ram air, we got you covered for that. And if you flip it the other way, it sits back a little further towards where your vents are. If you're running ram air, it sits right in the direct stream, so you don't have to ride with your seat off and be one of those people. So we got you covered on both sides where you want to do with your intake, and everything is good to go. So let's move over here and check out the intercooler hoses. Okay, what I did, I went and took a whole set of each one out of the box, and we're gonna walk over to the jet ski. I set them on the back so you can see them. But I just want to show you this. It's all the details that matter. We got the Wetjet coupler, and it tapers down to form fit to the supercharger. So it's snug fit, locks down. Our other hoses are 3-inch, those lock down too, but you got to trim them. No trimming on these will be needed. It's all precision. It's 3-inch to your intake manifold, 3-inch to the intercooler, 2.75 to the supercharger, 3-inch everywhere else. So they're all tapered and ready to go. No extra cutting needed, and it's all in the details. Check this out. Bam! Titanium blaze spring-loaded T-bolt clamps. So we got the titanium blue. It's got a little bit of purple in there, so these go with the intercoolers, so you don't have to use your hardware. These are for the people who's worried about things popping off. It locks them down, looks great, goes with the titanium look. You can't beat that right there. We got clamps galore. Look in there, clamps, everywhere, couplers everywhere. Got 50 of these set up. We're probably gonna do maybe about 100 sets a year. Try to make this an exclusive thing, because this isn't for everybody. Because people are like, why do you use titanium? Because we can. And titanium's a great thing to use. Corrosion proof, it's lightweight. The heat doesn't get to it as bad. We've done testing, everything's solid, no problems at all. Your intake tips are actually the same as if you were using the silicone hoses, but you get the hard lines, no loss of boost. Anything, we experience a better boost with these over the silicone ones. The silicone reinforced is not that much, but the silicone reinforced we make are extremely top of the line for the market. They do not flex at all. People have seen videos. Everybody loves them, but these right here are next level. They can't flex because they're titanium. They're hard line in, so if you're supposed to get 21 pounds of boost, 18, 19 pounds of boost, you're gonna get every bit of it. You're not gonna have any loss associated with it. So let's move over here. All right, let's come over here and check everything out. We got the gold intake, we got the blue intake, we got the purple intake. We got the purple intercooler hoses, the blue intercooler hoses, and the gold intercooler hoses. All titanium, all precision cut and fit. Mounts right up to your seadoo, your 230 or 300. We've been rocking them for a long time, and everything comes out great. I can't believe how awesome these came out, how good they look. You're only gonna be able to get them from here at Wetjet Performance, and they're gonna be awesome to have. No loss of boost, they look unique. They go with the titanium exhaust and the titanium water boxes that we have. There would be nothing better than what we're bringing to you on the market with Wetjet Performance. We got a guy that helps us out by the name of Luis Martinez. He's an awesome guy with a lot of passion for parts and titanium, like we put on Lamborghinis and Audis. He's into that too. He worked with us on the project. Two great brains come together to come out with great products and bring it to the market, because if you don't get people with passion, you won't get these products to come out. So I just wanted to show you exactly what we had. And you can see it all over here that we got to sort through and get it all out. But man, I just can't stop looking at it. It looks great. I can't wait to get these on my personal ski, and the people who pre-order it. Without you guys pre-ordering, some of this stuff never comes to life. So we appreciate you believing in Wetjet performance. And so it's a great win for the Wetjet supporters and a bad day for the Wetjet haters because, hey, you can't keep score today and you lost out on a big one when people said that this wasn't gonna come to life. So, and I gotta hurry up and go pack everything up so we can get it all shipped out. Hot as hell out here, about 100. We got everything boxed up. All of the hardline intercoolers, titanium, and the intakes. Everything. I'm gonna go run it over to the back warehouse, restore everything, and we got it all lined up, ready to go. And we got some more on the ground that we gotta get. So today's been a good day. Gotta get back to work. Peace.